Bob told me not to film this, but I cannot be contained.
I'm doing experiments and making mistakes. I am trying to make s'mores fudge. First, I'm making fudge, and that's going to go in the noseprint cookies. And then what's left, I have a graham cracker base. I'm trying to make the marshmallow for the pour over, and this will become fudge once the chocolate is added. But the marshmallows are not. They're trying to escape. Get down by the heat.
Is the fudge itself recipe just that?
Yes, it's just the fluffernutter fudge. It's what my family's always used.
And then you figured you could do a version that was s'more. So that's...
S'more fudge.
Oh.
Because I know you love s'mores and you love the fudge, so I was just like, I will make two things Becca likes and combine them.
It leaps and creeps and slides and glides. It's the blob.
No,
Look at it. Look at it.
No! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! I need to be stirring this too.
I'll turn this off, and I will help you, and I'll be useful. First, I'm just gonna okay. Adding butter.
Fix it.
The same way, the same way that you would a Rice Krispie treat. Add some butter.
No! Oh no! Oh no!
And that's.
Oh no! Oh no!
Well, you said once it boiled, then you would add.
It's bubbling up. I might just call that boiling because it's getting dangerously close to the top.
So then you add vanilla and chocolate?
And then just stir until it's all together. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. We're gonna, you know what? I'm gonna worry about you in a little bit. Yep, that's...
Put that over there with the rest of the fire.
Over there with the fire.
So you put in some vanilla.
And some vanilla, and then we put in...
It's activating. Chocolate.
It doesn't look good, but hopefully it tastes good. We're gonna see. This still hasn't fully mixed.
Tell you what, if this doesn't work, how about we teach people at home how to make a s'more in the oven?
Yes. Didn't we do oven s'mores?
Did we?
Thought we did.
Might have.
Anyway, well, it could go in the book. We're gonna make a cookbook.
We're gonna make a cookbook.
We're gonna make a cookbook all about how I used to hate cooking.
And if we already have that video, I'll link it.
Even if I did mess this up, we will have learned things. And that's the core to science.
Ooh, we could also take the mini marshmallows and just do like a sweet potato casserole situation and put mini marshmallows on top.
True. Do you want to go get some to stick on?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
So you did in fact use the mini marshmallows, but you could use the big ones and just cut them in half.
Yeah, we're just gonna... Hi, girls!
Oh god! Hi! You are not getting any of this.
Even
but
like a
I love
hurricane.
you. Love you both so much, and you're not getting any of it.
Just to make sure.
Marshmallow.
Make sure it gets enough marshmallow.
Actually, get out of there. There's nothing in the kitchen for
I might
you.
have dripped some butter. They love when I drip butter.
Come on. Out of the kitchen. Out of the kitchen. Good girls. Good girls. Father's doing science.
Mad science. The best kind of science.
Delicious. Love you so much. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Because I'm incapable of doing anything a little.
What?
Using a toothpick to poke them down right below the surface.
Seems unnecessary.
It is unnecessary. That's what
Okay.
I said.
Okay.
It's me deciding like, oh, I need this to have like a nice cross section when you cut it into the fudge pieces.
I see. I see. So that it is more fudge than anything. I see.
Yeah.
I get you. I follow you. Following you down this sticky, sticky path.
Yeah, everything's sticky. Have fun doing dishes without you.
Oh no. So let's.
I'm gonna fridge these before I cut them.
Yeah.
And then if they're a little gooey after being cut, I don't care.
You can have none of this. None of it.
Didn't set as much as I hoped.
No, but all else fails, we can put a spoon in it.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think that's
What
coming.
would be your suggestion for having it more fudge?
I'd have to boil it longer because it was boiling over. I might have rushed the boiling. So it didn't set back properly.
So that's good to know for our viewers.
But, oh, there's a little bit of crust at the bottom.
Yeah.
Taste test it. It does taste like s'more.
Good. In that case, rock on.
Partial success. Rock on.